So let's take you to Long Island. That is a look at a very quiet Montauk, and there he is, Fox Weather Storm Specialist Mike Sidel. Mike, we played a clip of you where you fell into the snow. I've fallen and I can't get up. I mean, you took on 84-mile-per-hour winds, everything thrown at you. How are you feeling this morning?
Well, let me clarify. I didn't fall. I was walking into the drift to show you how deep it was, and I got stuck. And if you've ever been in snow up to your waist and you try to get out, it's not that easy. You just can't walk out of it. And so then I'm crawling around, and I finally got out of it. And you know, my face wasn't red, only from the cold wind. I wasn't embarrassed. It's just a fact of life when the snow is that deep. But yes, it was a long day. I felt it last night, Britta, walking in through the deep snow for about 8 hours. My quads, and last night, let me tell you, I slept like a baby until the alarm went off at 4:15 a.m. But I'm fine. I got enough juice to get through today. And look at this. Look at these snow piles here at the Manor Hotel. Look at this beautiful hotel. I mean, yesterday I'm looking at this, and I'm looking at the snow, and I'm thinking, The Shining. For some reason, it just came to mind. But no, there is no Nurse Ratched here at the Manor. Let's talk about the snowfall here, 28.1. Let me show you video from yesterday. At the height of the storm, which was about 6 to 7 hours long, we had blizzard conditions from about 2 to 3 in the morning till about 10 to 11 in the morning. There's wind gusts officially about 70, 75 miles an hour. Now, the Montauk Lighthouse reported a gust to 85. We had a gentleman on the air with that. I could not find the weather station, so we'll go with the 85 and just let you know that's a high-end measurement. I mean, it's up high, so you're supposed to be at 10 meters above the ground. But bottom line is we had plenty of 70-mile-per-hour wind gusts across Long Island. 28.1 inches here. As far as flights to go today, the bottom line is we've got 2,025 canceled today. And to put that in perspective, LaGuardia, Newark, JFK, and Logan in Boston. This is about 45 to 49% of their departures. So about half of all departures today from those 4 airports have been canceled. More than likely, most of those are the morning into the early afternoon as they get everything back in place and get everything up and running. We're going to have the sun today, though. That's going to be nice. It's not going to warm us up much. It's still going to be right around freezing. But the sun angle now getting towards March, much more potent than it was in December. So if you see all this snow and ice out here, this is all going to melt today. And likewise, anything's been salted and treated, it is going to be just wet and hopefully dry off before tonight. One of the stats I saw, I don't know if you mentioned this, but Boston had 17.1. But Britta, that's 2 top 10 snowstorms in a month. Back in January, they had 16.7, now 17.1. That's pretty rare to have 2 top 10 snowstorms in 1 month. I'm sure a lot of folks in Boston are thinking it's the winter of 2015 all over when they had just over 110 inches of snow.
Wow. Yeah, that was the year, remember, the snow pile lasted in Boston until I think well into summer. Wow. I think it was June until it started to melt.
Early July.
Wow. Wow.
And the disgusting thing about the snow pile, the disgusting thing was what was left behind in the snow
they
pile.
Found
when it melted,
crazy things.
People's chairs.
Bikes.
Oh gosh.
Wow.
Yes, they did. Oh, yeah. Just, you name it, if it was picked up by the plow. Mm-hmm. I was in Boston for 4 of those 5 storms, and all I heard all night when I was staying in Chinatown was the beep, 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 because they were hauling the snow out, and then another storm would come in. Yeah. And remember, in December of 2014, they set a record low for the least amount of snowfall. So up until January 23rd of 2015, they really hadn't had a flake. And then boom, 5 weeks in a row, one after the other. And it was crazy. I mean, talk about, you complain about the piles in New York City back in January.
Yeah.
And early this month, the piles were this high, and you had these narrow, walkways down the streets. It was really nuts that year in Boston.
Yeah,
not that this isn't crazy. This is a lot of snow.
It is a lot of snow, but it's so interesting because we all have these memories of big blockbuster storms in the Northeast. And now there's this new benchmark. I mean, gosh, this was an all-time record for ice-slip New York, also on Long Island. Far away from you, I think a lot of people don't realize how long Long Island really is. But it is incredible, though, to live through these experiences and have these storms that truly shape how you grow up. I mean, I'm excited for my kids because,
Yeah.
you know, 10 years from now, they'll be like, Mom, remember that time you stayed in the city
2026?
and Dad and I built this awesome snow fort? I mean, there's dangers, of course, Mike, but there's also a little bit of magic.
Yes, and in the Providence record, they beat their previous all-time record, the blizzard of 78, back in early February of 78, by 10 inches, by 10 inches. So they didn't even just add an inch to it. They obliterated that record. I mean, that's insane. And even more insane is going to be the room service charges that Brenna put on the bill the past couple nights.
Way to rat me out, Mike. There might have been a margarita yesterday. That's okay. Mike, it's so good to see you.
Yeah, great
Fox
to
Weather
see
Storm
you.
Specialist Mike Seidel reporting in Montauk, New York. Great work, Mike.
Love that guy.